Hey there. So, what you're going to do for Monday and Tuesday, day 1 and day 2, is we're going to do Jigsaw part 2. So you need to have this document opened. It's linked in our daily slides right here, Jigsaw part 2, specific global goals. You also can find it if you go to Google Classroom. Go to Global Studies, Classwork, and then it's linked right here under UN Global Goals, Jigsaw Part 2. We are no longer going to be in this document. We're going to start in this one. So when you have it open, however you've gotten there, you are going to research at least one global goal. At this point, just pick one that sounds interesting to you. And then you are going to use the Global Goals website to go through and get information about the goal. So the global goal, you're going to give a description of the goal. This is an example. So you will do your actual work down here. But a description of the goal, 5 of the goal targets. So if you go to globalgoals.org, this was linked in your first document. It's not in this one anymore though. And then say you want to look at climate action as your goal. So you would click on this goal, read through it, get some information, and then the goal targets are like mini goals within the goal. So they're goals to help us get to the bigger picture goal. So these are the targets, and so this is what you'll read about and kind of gather information on to record right here. So for 5 of the goal targets. There are also kind of 3 questions down here for you to think about. And the purpose of this is to have us all get a further look into what the goals are, so that then we can do our pitch project. And our pitch project is going to be basically creating a pitch or an elevator speech or a one-pager or something like that for you to kind of prove like this goal is the most important goal. This is the goal that I think is the most important and the most influential. And we'll work on this next week, week 14 and week 15. You can pick any one of the 17, or there's going to be 6, maybe 4, maybe 3, who knows, listed here that have a little bit more research done with them, because they're going to be goals and research that people have done in part 2. So you're going to do part 2 to research to possibly help yourself with your project, which I'm not going to explain in this video, but that's why we are working on this part 2, is to kind of help ourselves with our final project for this. This right here, this blue text, is an example. You're not typing here. You have a section to type down here. This is where your information is going to go. I will link the website in up here. It was linked in your other one, but it's not in this one. Yep, all right, that is it. You have all of this stuff linked in our weekly schedule or in Google Classroom. This is what your task is.